because I ran out of storage halfway through the video, basically. So, yeah. Now we're back with part 2. A lot quieter now. Turned off the AC, but here we go. Let's continue this. Breathe hard. Poltergeist. Let's really say poltergeist. And, hey, a minute. Hold on. Hey, I have a tin of mirror. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, here. Two Mimi gotta use. There you go, boys. Okay, this one goes back in. My bad, that was kind of loud. Hey, nice pull though, nice pull. Alright. This, let me count real quick. Oh wow, there's a lot more. This is, there's a lot of packs here. Right here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So I only opened up 14 packs. Good lord. I have to speed it up. I really have to speed it up. Goddamn. Can't believe I opened up 14 packs in like 18 minutes. Good lord. Alright, let's do this. We go on speed round now. Let's hope I checked it is 30 cards actually for the set. Here we go. We got Miss Megas again. We got Phantom and Chandelure. There you go. Relax. Good. Opened it at the bottom. That's my mistake. Okay, we got Drifblim, Zubat, that's a new one, and Houndstone, that's also a new one. That's good. Yeah, I think I'm definitely completing the set, which is amazing. If I have enough freaking the sleeves, I'll just do 2 sets. This is pack 17. Here we go. Shove it. Lycanroc. And another Mimikyu. It's a nice Pokemon. It reminds me of Caroline. less than $1 a pack. I freaking checked while I was deleting some stuff so I could make this part 2. I checked and it's 42% off on Amazon right now. So if I bought this on Amazon and not Walmart, I would have saved like $20. So we got Graveheart, Zubat, and Driven in. Nice. Let's pile update. We haven't done one of those in a while. Now it's getting a thick boy. We got right here. That's about maybe 2 centimeters. Maybe an inch. I think that's about an inch. And we have an inch-sized pile right now. About roughly. Dog, you better not start barking. I swear to God. We got Drifloon. Oh my word. Well, the cards fell over. Horse. Spectrier. I think I'm spelling that, saying that right. Drifloon. I'm getting a lot of Drifloons, I got them soon. And Lambent. We're finally making a good dent in the. We're down about half, I think. Shuppet. Ghastly. And Marshall. Fancy. I'm really speeding through this one. Now that's strange. The pack itself is upside down, but the cards aren't. That's strange. That's really strange. We got Murkrow. Crap. Sinistea. And the rare is, drumroll please, Houndstone. Okay, here we go. Yeah, Miss Minkus, I think that's a lot easier just doing it like boom boom. Poltergeist. Poltegeist. Because it's a teapot, and the rare is Chandelure. That works. Drifblim. Oh, the evolution to Drifloon. Duskull. And the rare is Dusknoir. Dusknoir. I don't know how to say that name. Tappies. Also, the pile of just. It's insane the amount of easier to open from the bottom. Okay, we got Grievehard again. Gang, Hunter. The evolution of Gast. And a Hollow Pikachu. Another Hollow Pikachu. God, there's so many wrappers. Oh my lord. Okay. Got Shopper. Shopper. Also, if you guys didn't realize, my setup's changed. I got a new desk. So now my desk used to be over there, facing that way. But now it's this way, going that way. So I hope that doesn't hurt the camera. And then we got Houndoom. Oh. Okay, we got Shuppet again. I'm gonna have so much extras. I might have 2 sets in this for Christ's sake. Litwick and Spectre. I definitely I haven't seen a new card in a while. We're down to this much packs. That's still like 20 packs, I think. Yeah, probably like 20 packs. Next pack. The only thing I've kind of sad about these is that there's no like super fancy rares. No flashy cards. Musgrow. Phantom. And Trevenant. Dusclops again. Oh, I messed up. I didn't do the card thing. Drifloon and Miyagaru. I think that's how you say it. Oh my god. It's starting to like overlap. Good lord. Lord heaven above. Here's the stack update now. Pretty thick boy. Okay, next pack. Graveyard. Litwick. And Gengar. Next pack. Okay. Miss McGiss. I definitely think I've completed this set already. I could probably find out right now. Zubat. And Marshadow. Down to maybe 15 packs. Okay. Drifblim. That's a new card for sure. And Dusk Noir as the holo. Does it actually? I'll look at the end. Okay. We got Marshgrowl, Sinistea, and Trevenant. The pile's freaking overpiling. Marshgrow, Phantom, and Pikachu. Got Mismagius, Ghastly, and Houndoom again. We're down to 14 packs. Down to 14 packs, folks. Mismagius, Hunter, and Houndstone. Oh my. The pile's getting so thick. Why is there a card sideways? Word. It's getting so thick it's thrown off the balance. It's got its own gravitational pull. Okay. Here we go, here we go. Okay. Mismagius, Lampin, and Gengar. Driplim, Phantom, and Mimikyu. I don't know how to pronounce these names. Mystery still. I should probably research this set before I bought it. Marshgrow, Haunter. Oh, that's crazy. The evolution in one pack. Hunter and Gengar. Oh my god, I have the whole set. I have Ghastly, Hunter, and Gengar. Nice, ladies and gentlemen. I'm running out of phone storage. I gotta hurry this up. Drifloon, Zubat, Trevenant. I also want to give you guys the tingles. Okay. Marshadow, Grievard, and Tesla. I think that's new. Tesla. Shuppet, Banette. Inspector. Let's go, let's go. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. So we got Griefhard, Dismay, Houndoom. My headset freaking being weird. Line Croc, Chandelure, and Marshcrew. Down to 4 packs, ladies and gentlemen. Drifloon, Sinistea, Gengar. Okay. Okay. Shuppet, Banette, and Pikachu. Pikachu. 2 packs, 2 packs. Phone storage, don't do this. Phone storage, don't do this. Drifblim. Oh. Dusknoir. And Ghastly. Last pack. Last pack, ladies and gentlemen. Last pack. My headset. Hello. Okay, there we go. Okay. Spectrier. Shupper. And Poltegeist. There you go. Holy moly, we done it, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Oh, and of course one. Oh, and the whole pile fell. Here we go. 150 cards. And 50 opened packs of Pokemon cards. Pokemon Trick or Treat Booster Bundle. Each getting 3 colors. That is it. So now I have to cut the video because I don't have enough storage to cut these 2 videos together, but I'm going to find out if I have completed the set and I will post it on the YouTube community posts. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. It just took me like 40 minutes, almost 50 minutes, I think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace out. Love you guys.